Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. You better be on your toes if you like this car, because I'm telling you it's going to hit our website and it's going to sell. This is one of those cars people are going to think you spent a lot more than you actually did. It has all sorts of high-end features, high-end look, but it's very affordable. It's a father and son I bought it from. They've restored several cars. They do this as a hobby, and they did all the right stuff without getting carried away. There's no LS motor, doesn't have air conditioning, but it's got all trick suspension, built motor, a new 4-speed, a strange engineering posi rear, TMI interior. It's got lots of great stuff. It's done really well. So go to volocars.com. You can take your time and look at over 100 pictures. You can read the description, and that's where you'll find the prices, not only on this one, but on all of the collector cars we have for sale. It's at volocars.com. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But right now, join me, let's go for a spin. And actually, I did take this car for a spin. I drove it home. My daughter wanted to go for a ride. We got back in the car, drove around town. It's just a cool little hot rod. And that it is, it's a hot rod. It's got a stiff suspension. You know, it's not a luxury car, but I mean, it felt fine, handled great. I had all the confidence in the world that, you know, it was going to start, and it was doing everything it should, but it's a bit of a hot rod. It's loud. So underneath the car, the subframe was removed from the car. The whole front clip was all rebuilt. Actually, most of it was upgraded. It has a Hotchkiss sport suspension. So up front, it's tubular control arms, Fox gas shocks, lowering springs, Hotchkiss adjustable, the outer tie rods, and all of it is immaculate, like it was just put in an hour ago. The spindles, the nuts, bolts, cotter pins, the front end is just spotless. Subframe was painted, it's got new bushings. In back, that suspension was all redone, part of the Hotchkiss kit. It has lowered leaf springs, new bushings, gas, Fox shocks, custom Hotchkiss sway bars front and back as well. Also has CalTrack tubular traction bars down there. Upgraded to disc brakes at all 4 wheels. That system's new. I think they're Willwood disc brakes. So the new brake lines, hoses. It did not see an emergency brake cable, so it does not have an e-brake. Custom exhaust, 3-inch stainless steel, X-pipe, MagnaFlow mufflers, but then it ends right there. It just dumps out right after the mufflers. If you wanted to make it a little quieter, you just have some tailpipes put on. The fuel system's all new. The tank, the straps, the fuel lines, the sending unit. When you look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has a Meloden oil pan. It's got a new starter, new motor mounts. It's an auto gear 4-speed. What they do is they make brand new Muncies is what it is, but they don't use the Muncie name. The name of their company is Auto Gear, but they reproduce the Muncie 4-speed. So it's a new transmission, 4-speed. The clutch was replaced. It has a custom 3-inch aluminum drive shaft going back to a new rear end. It says Strange Engineering right on the rear end. It's not a rebuilt rear end, it's a new rear end. So all the components in it are new, and it has a 391 posi gears. So a lot of cool stuff going on under there. The body and paint was actually done when they bought the car. They said it's about 7 years old. It is slick. It's been cleaned up. I don't see any marker lights or emblems. This emblem is probably just glued on. Got an American flag here, but it's got a nice clean look, and it is all metal, smooth and glossy. Barely feel the stripes. Cowl hood. Front bumper's been removed. Has a custom spoiler, blacked out grille. All this is really nice. It's all straight, no problem areas, no cracking, no shrinkage. There's a nick touched up at the corner here. It's a good color match. Radio delete, they just plugged the antenna hole. These are Foose special edition wheels with Continental tires. And this is all metal, it's all smooth. No bubbles, no blisters, and it happens to fit flush too. All the glass was replaced. He said all of it, all the way around. The trim here is all blacked out, black mirrors, handles, rear spoiler. Everything's real nice. Bumpers blacked out, tail lights. These are some billet tail lights. They're blacked out. Gas caps blacked out. Inside the trunk, see it's painted real sharp, all clean metal. Has a nice carpeted mat with sewn edges. Batteries relocated to the trunk, so it's got new cables, has a billet hold down. It's an Optima battery. New insulation behind the seat. New weather strip. It's got a TMI interior. Really great Corbeau seats. They're soft leather with cloth inserts. They hold you in place. That's for when you're taking them corners, you're not sliding off the seat. These puppies hold you in place. Got white stitching. So the rear seat's excellent, and that's original. The door panels are all part of the TMI. Got some really cool armrests I've never seen before. Nice custom door panels and handles. Really sharp looking interior. The motor, it's a 350, bored out to a 355. The specs are on our website. It's got the double hump heads, got aluminum intake. I think it's a 650 Edelbrock, which looks pretty new. HEI type ignition system, headers, all of it looks new. One wire alternator. It's got a big Griffin aluminum radiator with dual electric fans and aluminum water pump. Has power steering, Willwood master cylinder. Very tidy and clean. There's nothing in here. There's no big wow factor, but it's all nice, tidy, clean, proper, just the way it should be. Understated, I guess is what I would say. They put in retractable shoulder belts. Door jambs are painted real nice. The weather strips are new. It's got a nice suede custom steering wheel. It's got them nice new gauges. Digital, they have the needles, but they're electronic gauges. There is, let's see, is there a heater? I better make sure before I say that there is. Yeah, the heater hoses are hooked up. He bought a whole new panel for a nice clean look. Just a little piece of Velcro underneath. If you want to turn the heater on, you just pull that panel back, turn the heater on, put the panel back in place. It's really easy to do. I just did it. It's got some custom pedals. It's got a Detroit Speed, really nice drilled billet shift handle. Custom supports here. All new wiring through the car. Nice filler panel. New steering hoses, couplers, new wiper motor. So a lot of new stuff. So when I say the car's affordable, it's not because it's not nice, just because I bought it fair and they've got all the right stuff without getting too carried away. Now let's start it up. Start your engines. Gauges light up kind of a reddish orange color. 3,100 miles since it's been done. I also wanted to mention it's a one-piece headliner, and it's all wrapped in like suede. The visors are suede, the dash pad, the pillars. Is a real nice custom mirror. Yeah, pretty cool car. And the things like that, the shifter, the door panels, that's what gives it that high-end look. And I honestly don't know why I don't ask more money than we are, but you better get the Volo cars quick. Unfortunately, a lot of you are going to get there, and it's already going to be marked sold. So I hope you get it. That's my impression. On our website, plenty of ways to contact the salesman. They'll answer questions or concerns you might have and get you financed and get delivered to your driveway. That's at volocars.com. You enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.